Imagine two friends, Joe and Brian, facing a common problem: rent money. They had a simple idea. What if they rented out air mattresses on their living room floor during a design conference? This sparked the journey of Airbnb. Today, it's a global giant, connecting millions of travelers with unique accommodations. Airbnb's success story isn't magic. It's a testament to a powerful tool, the business model canvas. This tool helped them visualize and strategize their business, paving the way for phenomenal growth. The business model canvas is like a blueprint for your startup. It breaks down your business into 9 key components. Each component works together, forming a clear picture of how your startup functions. This tool helps you identify strengths, address weaknesses, and make strategic decisions. It's a roadmap to navigate the exciting yet challenging world of startups. The business model canvas is divided into 9 interconnected blocks. Each block represents a crucial aspect of your business. Think of it like a puzzle. Each piece is essential to complete the overall picture. Let's understand each block in detail. Value propositions. This is the heart of your business. What unique value do you offer to your customers? What problem are you solving? Customer segments. Who are your ideal customers? Define your target audience based on their needs, behaviors, and demographics. Channels. How do you reach your customers? This includes your marketing and distribution strategies, both online and offline. Customer relationships. What kind of relationships do you build with your customers? Are they transactional or based on personalized engagement? Revenue streams. How do you generate income from your value proposition? This includes your pricing strategy and revenue models. Key resources. What are the essential assets needed to run your business? This includes physical, financial, and human resources. Key activities. What are the most important tasks required to deliver your value proposition? This includes your core operations and processes. Key partnerships. Who are your key partners and suppliers? These collaborations can help you leverage external resources and expertise. Cost structure. What are the major costs involved in running your business? Understanding your cost structure is crucial for profitability. The value proposition block is where you define the core benefit you offer to your customers. It's not just about your product or service, but the solution it provides. For Airbnb, the value proposition was clear, affordable, and unique accommodations for travelers. They solved the problem of expensive hotels and offered a more authentic travel experience. Once you have a compelling value proposition, you need to identify your customer segments. Who are you targeting with your offering? Airbnb initially focused on budget travelers and attendees of large events. By understanding their needs and preferences, Airbnb tailored their platform and marketing efforts to attract this specific group. Section 4. Building relationships and generating revenue. Customer relationships are crucial for any business. How you interact with your customers can make or break your brand. Airbnb focused on building trust and community. They facilitated communication between hosts and guests, encouraging reviews and personal connections. This fostered a sense of belonging and loyalty among their users. Revenue streams are the lifeblood of your business. How will you make money from your value proposition? Airbnb charges a commission on each booking, generating revenue from both hosts and guests. Their platform's success relies on a high volume of transactions facilitated by their service. Section 5. Managing resources and partnerships. Key resources are the essential assets you need to operate your business. For Airbnb, this includes their technology platform, data, and their vast network of hosts. These resources are crucial for connecting guests with accommodations, managing bookings, and ensuring a smooth user experience. Key partnerships can be valuable assets for startups. Airbnb partnered with local businesses and tourism boards to expand their reach and offer unique experiences. These collaborations provided them with access to new markets and enhanced the value proposition for their users. Section 6. Charting your course to startup success. The business model canvas is a powerful tool for startups. It provides a visual representation of your business, helping you understand how each component interacts. By analyzing each block, you can identify areas for improvement, test new ideas, and adapt to changing market conditions. Remember, the business model canvas is not a static document. It's a dynamic tool that evolves with your business. Regularly revisit and revise your canvas as you gain insights and experience. Embrace experimentation and iteration. The journey of a startup is about learning, adapting, and constantly striving for improvement. With the business model canvas as your guide, you can navigate the challenges and opportunities of the startup world and chart your course towards lasting success.